Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can do braids in your doll's hair, and you know, it's like the two side braids, kind of like Anna from Frozen. I don't really know what to call them. I don't really know what the proper name is, but yeah, it's basically gonna be kind of like those braids for this video. I'm sure you can see the thumbnail, so yeah, anyways, let's get into it. So you want to start out with the hair being separated in like the back and whatever, and you want to have two chunks of hair, and then you want to start braiding the one side. And you know, if you know how to braid, then you know, like, you just have to go, um, you know, have the two strands on the side going over the one in the middle. And I mean, I don't think I can describe it very well. You just have to, I guess, see in the video how it's done, and like, you know, how just, you know, taking the the ones that are on the side, going over the one that's in the middle, and it changes which one is in the middle because of moving it over the other one. So, you know, it's a little weird to describe, but once you do it, then you, I guess, understand more and get to it'll be easier. So yeah. And of course, once you get done with the braid, you're gonna want to tie it up in a hair tie, because then it'll unravel. Especially if you're doing the two side braids thing, then you're gonna want to tie the one first before you do the other one. So, you know, you can use one of those little rubber band thingies that come with dolls. Usually, like, you know, sometimes if dolls have those hair ties, because they have their hair in like braids or a ponytail already, and then you can just take those and use them, or like they'll have the little rubber band things that are like holding their hand in a spot in the box, or holding them to something in the box, and you could just take those and reuse them instead of throwing them away, and just like use them for hair ties. So yeah, it's always good to just reuse that stuff, because you don't want to just be throwing plastic away and, you know, not using it. So yeah. that's kind of it. I did do it a little bit messy, a little bit whatever, and I did miss a little strand there, but you know, you guys get the idea, you know, as long as you just don't like miss a strand like I did, and as long as you know, if you want it to not be so messy looking, then you can like try to do it a little more carefully than I did. I just wanted to, you know, do a video kind of quickly, and you know, so I kind of did it a little fast and made it a little messy looking. And I mean, I guess if you're trying to go through for that messy look, then you can go for that messy look, which, you know, works too if you want that. But yeah, I guess that's it though. So I guess bye then.